my channel. I wanted to do a quick video and just show you guys what's inside the giveaway. Excuse my nails. Today is my birthday. I may do them a little bit later, but for the most part, you know, I'm just chilling. But here, I just wanted to show you guys what I have inside the giveaway, and I will let you guys know the details. So let me try to zoom out just a little bit so you can see. I do have one of these cute little coin purses. This one is stuffed. This one will be mine. I just put it in here so that I can show you. Yours will come new in a package like this. And then I have some glitter that is holographic, different colors. We do have some nail swatch sticks, some coffin, and some stiletto. Sorry, try to move out a little bit so I'm not all in the camera. So I do have these two. I do have 4 acrylics that came inside of a kit that I used one of the colors. So I know I'm not going to use these. I do want to give them to somebody else to use. So you guys have 4 acrylics here. They're all 15 grams each. And then I have 4 files here. I think 3 files and 1 buffer. My favorite drill bit I included is a 5-in-1 fine bit. Then you have the no acid primer, pH bond, diamond top coat, and nail foil gel. If you guys don't know, bomb.com, probably the best nail foil I've ever used. I'm not saying it because it's mine. And also the prep is really good and the top coat is phenomenal. So I included that in there. I did include a rhinestone picker, and you can smooth out your foils with this. And then you have some rhinestone gel here. This is non-slip. So if you are going in with bigger stones or you have trouble with stone placement, this is really good because wherever you put your stones, it'll stay there until you need to move it in or cure it. So I got that, and then I do have some nail art here, different color leaves. I do have rubber base. This is great if you do overlays on natural nails. This is also good if you want to go in with your press-on nails, but you don't want them to be permanent. Then you would go in with a rubber base and then go in as usual, and you're able to pop your nails off whenever you get ready. But until then, they will last. I did have an extra mini lamp, so I included it. I do have a nail foil in here, so you can use that nail foil glue and stuff. So I have that. I do have 2 Dior stickers. I think I'm going to add a couple more stickers in here. And I do have some long nails. And then I did include, I think these are a 3X. I did include a practice mat. If you don't know, these are phenomenal. I use these with my students for the most part when I am teaching my liquid to powder ratio classes. So really good, perfect, reusable. I actually like this and recommend it more than I would say using a plastic practice hand. And then here you will get some stiletto tips. If you like not polished tips, these are the same exact tips. They just branded them. So, you know, we have these. And that is all I have in the giveaway. If you would like to be entered in the giveaway, of course, please make sure you are following me on my YouTube. And also for extra entry, you can follow me on my Instagram, nailed_by_shy. I will leave it in the video and in the description. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. I will announce who the winner is on January 10th. Today is the 2nd. I want to give enough people a chance to enter. If you don't win, do not get bummed out. I always have stuff to give away. I have a ton of stuff that I can't use, and I get a lot of stuff in PR that I'm not going to be able to use, so I will give it away. Happy New Year, everyone, and good luck. Just leave me a comment down below on my video or my last video that I posted and let me know where you are from and how long you've been doing nails. That's all I want to know. So yeah, I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.